Another guilty beat.
Zagadat. Same question every day.
Okay, I didn't know from what's up. I didn't know you talk.
Gangin and bang.
So let's assume this is the dress or the shirt or the jacket, whatever. So first of all, what I do is I mark 1 inch from the pocket back, as you can see me do. Okay, so once that is done, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my seam gauge and I'm gonna mark another 1 inch from the line that I made. So basically what I'm doing is I'm gonna stand on the line that I made and I marked 1 inch, and I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna divide that 1 inch space that I made into two, so it will be half an inch, half an inch. So I'm gonna make another straight line. I really hope you can see. My camera is a bit like blurry, so I can't really tell, but yeah. So once I make that line, so basically I made 1 inch and I divided it into two. Yeah. And I went ahead and I marked the ends half an inch on both sides. I marked half an inch in on both sides. So as you can tell, yeah. Pin it together to hold it in place.